Is your phone cable broken? Are you frustrated because it won't charge? Don't throw it away just yet. Today, I'll show you an easy way to fix it, so you don't have to buy a new one. Hello everyone. Today I have two great techniques that will get your phone charging again. You can use whichever method you find easier. Let's see how it's done. Look, I'm plugging the cable in right now, but as you can see, there is absolutely no power reaching the phone. Let's get to work. For our first method, grab a toothpick and a standard eraser. We need to prepare the toothpick first. Gently crush the sharp pointed tip until it becomes flat, for about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Do this on both ends. Once it is flattened, use scissors to snip off the very sharpest part. It needs to be thin enough to slide easily into the small crevices of your charging port. Now, turn off your mobile phone completely. Take your prepared toothpick and gently insert it into the charging slot. Even if it looks clean, there might be lint, thread, or dust trapped inside from your pockets. Carefully scrape the sides and move it left and right to clear any hidden debris. After you've done that, give it a quick scrub with a clean toothbrush to remove any leftover particles. Next, look at the metal part of your charging cable. Over time, friction and daily use can cause dark oxidized buildup on the contacts. Take an eraser and rub it gently over the metal until it is shiny and clean. Brush away any remaining eraser dust. Now, turn your phone back on and plug the cable in. Look at that, it's charging perfectly again. You don't need a new cable after all. If the first method didn't do the trick, let's try a second approach. This time we'll focus only on the cable itself. Grab a piece of sandpaper and cut a very small, narrow strip. It doesn't need to be large, just a tiny piece will do. Take your strip and hold it up against your charging cable to check the size. If it's too wide to fit into the port, trim it down until it's perfectly sized. Now carefully insert your sandpaper strip into the connector slot. Move it back and forth about 4 or 5 times on each side. Sometimes, a cable that has been used for a long time develops rust or oxidation on the internal contacts, and this helps clear it right off. Once finished, use a toothbrush to brush away any dust or give the cable a gentle tap against the table to shake out the debris. Now, let's test it hand. There you go. The power is flowing again. Your cable is ready for long-term use, and you've saved yourself the cost of a replacement. So, what do you think of these simple techniques to get your charging cable working again? I really hope you found them useful. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family so they can fix their cables too. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!